how to separate my business Facebook from personal. So if you want to separate your business Facebook from personal, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your Facebook. And once you open up your Facebook, you need to go with your page. And under your page, you need to go with the top right, go with settings and privacy, and click on settings. It will take you to the page settings, right? And you need to go with the left side and go with the page setup. And under your page setup, you will have the page access. Just click on it and then go with the add new option, which is on the top right. And here you need to go with next again and add your new page. Your new account. You need to add your new account right here. So search for it. Click on that and then go with give access and enter your password for the security reasons and then go with confirm. And after that, enter the code that you've received on your email address. So just go with your mail and copy the code, which is right here, and paste that. Go with continue. And after that, here you will have the other person, right? So what you need to do is just simply go with your other account that you've just added, and you need to accept the invite link. And once the other person accepts the invite link, then you can again go with the page access, and here you will have two options, right? So what you need to do is just simply go with your previous name and go with the right side, which has that three dots, and go with remove access. And once you remove your access, your previous access, then the page will be taken by the other person that you've just added, and your Facebook access will be removed. That's how you can separate your business Facebook from your personal. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.